Hey, I'm Kim Mixon.
And I'm Tom Maldonado.
Thanks for taking a few minutes to check out this video tour. Welcome to 17 Cedarwood Court in Phenix City, Alabama. This wonderful home is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and over 2,100 square feet. The spacious living room centers around the fireplace and opens to the kitchen. Great cabinet space, granite counters, and stainless appliances make this kitchen a dream. The formal dining room could also serve as the perfect office or playroom. This is a split plan, so the master bedroom is on the opposite side of the home from the other bedrooms. This home is a true value that you do not want to miss. Meadowood offers convenience to all your favorite places, cul-de-sac streets for kids to play and evening strolls, as well as an option for the much-desired Lee County school system. This is a home you've got to check out. 17 Cedarwood Court in Phenix City, Alabama.